I want us to be on the same page between nail tech and clients. If you ever go into the nail salon and you happen to not like your nails when you get home, you cannot go back to the nail salon and ask for a refund. There is no such thing as a refund in the service industry. Refund is when you go out and you buy an item, Walmart, Target, Costco, and you didn't like the item, you have the receipt. You return the item, giving it back to the ownership, and they give you back the money. That's a refund. How do you refund a service, my friend? How? You already have the nail on you. The chemical is being used. The tip's already cut down. And now you want your money back? What do we get as a nail tech? Nothing. What you gonna do? Come in, give us a pedicure, manicure, and then we give you your money back? Because that's the only way we can refund it. So you guys just need to speak up during the service if you don't like anything, and we'll fix it for you. But you cannot go in and ask for a refund. That's ridiculous, because now you're just starting problem. And I know some of you out there thinking y'all tough, like, oh, I'm going to go talk to them. I'm going to go talk to them. Okay, Shrek, calm down. Okay, there is no refund in the service industry. Get it right. I'm letting you know now so we can get along on the long way.